Imagine hitting the open road, the sun rising over the horizon, and knowing that your next adventure is right at your fingertips. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Kia BONGO Campervan, a vehicle that's redefining compact travel with style, comfort, and innovation. This isn't just any camper van, it's a game changer. As you step inside, the first thing that strikes you is the intelligent use of space. Kia has designed every inch with purpose, blending sleek modern aesthetics with ultimate functionality. The cabin greets you with premium materials, soft-touch surfaces, and ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood for any journey. The ergonomic seating isn't just about comfort, it's about creating a living space where you can truly relax. The 2026 BONGO Campervan is packed with cutting-edge technology. A fully integrated smart home system allows you to control lighting, climate, and even security from your smartphone. The kitchen setup is compact yet incredibly efficient, featuring a 2-burner stove, a refrigerator, and a sink with a foldable faucet, perfect for cooking on the go. Storage solutions are thoughtfully hidden throughout, giving you the freedom to pack everything you need without feeling cramped. One of the standout features is the expandable sleeping area. With a quick adjustment, the seating converts into a spacious and cozy bed, ensuring you get a restful night's sleep no matter where the road takes you. Large panoramic windows provide stunning views during the day and can be blacked out for complete privacy at night. Under the hood, the 2026 Kia BONGO offers a fuel-efficient yet powerful engine, designed for long-distance cruising and off-the-grid adventures alike. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride, whether you're navigating city streets or winding mountain roads. What sets this campervan apart is its versatility. Whether you're a solo traveler seeking freedom or a couple chasing new horizons, the BONGO adapts to your lifestyle with ease. It's more than a vehicle. It's a mobile sanctuary, a base camp for your wildest dreams. If you've enjoyed discovering the incredible 2026 Kia BONGO Campervan, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest in automotive innovation. Drop a comment below and let us know where you'd take this campervan on your first adventure. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.